Aprilia's Tuono V4 1100RR is the clear benchmark in the leader-class street fighter, naked bike segment. And for 2015 it gets even faster with engine displacement growing to 1077cc. It has a 78cc increase that comes by way of 3 mm larger diameter pistons, and the stroke remains unchanged at 52.3 mm. It still employs its fabulous Aprilia Performance Ride Control software suite, which includes 8-way adjustable, plus off, wheel spin, traction, wheelie, and launch control. The Aprilia Tuono V4 1100RR's chassis also sees a couple of key enhancements highlighted by 0.4 degree sharper steering head angle and a slight reduction in trail, also giving it a longer swing arm. The front brake equipment has also been upgraded with a pair of Brembo M432 monoblock calipers biting 320mm diameter cross-drilled stainless steel discs through stainless steel hydraulic hoses.